I'm Barbara Leslie, President of the Oakland Board of Port Commissioners, and I have some exciting news to share about our favorite airport, OAK. We consistently hear from local travelers in our community about their desire for more direct flights to a wider variety of domestic and global destinations out of Oakland. To make this happen, we must improve the geographic awareness among inbound travelers to the region. We found that over half of frequent international travelers and nearly a third of domestic travelers are unaware of OAK's amazing location in the heart of Northern California and the San Francisco Bay Area. This means that flights to Oakland haven't performed as well as they could, leading to a loss of routes and making airlines reluctant to add new routes. That's why the Port Commission will consider modifying the name of the Metropolitan Oakland International Airport by replacing the word Metropolitan with San Francisco Bay. The name to be considered will be San Francisco Bay Oakland International Airport. The three-letter airport code, OAK, will not change. Adding San Francisco Bay to the name will improve travelers' geographic awareness of the airport and help us reach and succeed in new markets. In an increasingly competitive aviation industry, we must take this step to protect the over 30,000 good-paying direct jobs and the $1.6 billion in economic impact the airport generates. We're excited about the future of our airport. We've embarked upon terminal improvement projects. We're upgrading the Terminal 1 check-in lobby, restroom facilities, and providing an exciting lineup of new local concessions and restaurants that really represent Oakland. Hope to see you soon at OAK.